This video shows you how to set up your Iridium satellite subscription for your Garmin inReach handheld device. We are using the Garmin GPSMAP 86i, but this guide is also valid for Garmin inReach Mini and the Garmin inReach Explorer. We are not paid for this video, neither by Garmin nor anyone else. Not a single cent. We are just some sailors who love being at sea and share our experience with you. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our videos. It's fully free. Back to the Garmin inReach topic. You will now see how to purchase an inReach Iridium subscription on the website explore.garmin.com. We assume that you already registered your device there. If not, do so before. Okay, let us now set up the subscription. Your device is already registered. But take care, Garmin has a small fail on the website. If you want to make a subscription directly after registration, you will fail. And you do not know why. They do not tell you in the error message. The issue is that you do need to enter your payment details before you can subscribe. Here is how. Go to website explore.garmin.com and log in. Go to Accounts and click Edit Billing Info. Check if your data is fine and click Next. Enter your payment details. Successfully saved, as you can see here. Finally, you can do the subscription. Go to Plans and Devices. Click on Subscription Edit next to the device you want to subscribe for. Click Reactivate. Choose the plan. We go for Freedom Plans Expedition. You will find the details of the subscription on Plan Details. Hit Continue and then confirm your subscription by setting the hook and click Reactivate. The system now says processing and does not finalize for whatever reason. Strange, but don't mind. Just open another tab in your browser and reload explore.garmin.com. As you can see here, the subscription has succeeded. Well done. Have a lot of fun using your satellite inReach device.